Hi friends, welcome to Success Learners channel. This is Balaji. Today we are going to see how we are generating barcodes using Python. First of all, we have to know what is barcode. A barcode is an optical machine readable representation of data. Barcodes are systematically represents the data by varying the width and spacing in between the parallel lines. So these barcodes are designed by George Laurer in 1973. So barcodes are generally used in the areas like grocery stores, malls, movie theaters and airlines luggaging systems. So coming to how it is going to be used, barcodes are applied to a product as a means of quick identification. They are used in retail stores as a part of purchase purpose in warehouse to track inventory. Nowadays, these are also used in schools for the admission process, while it is going to recognize the particular student unique details. So let's see how we are going to code this one using Python. Before going to the coding part, we have to install some library files to create these barcodes. So let's open your Anaconda Navigator and open the command prompt here. After opening the command prompt, you have to enter the command like pip install python barcode. So here you have to run this command. It will take some time to install. It is around just 5 to 6 seconds. That's it. It is installed here. After installing this barcode library, quit from this command prompt, open the Jupyter notebook here. So opening Jupyter notebook here, select Python 3. So first of all, we have to import the barcode. So after importing this statement, we have to check whether the barcode is successfully installed or not. So after running this one, if there is no error present in this shell, it means the barcode is successfully installed. So after importing this barcode, we have to create a variable called bar that is equals to, so we have to call the barcode here, barcode dot get. So we are going to get the barcode here. So here we have to make this name of the barcode. So there are some types of barcodes present, so we have to call that barcode name here. So I am going to use the barcode name, as there are so many types of barcodes present. I am going to use EAM13. So after creating this, after taking this one, we have to enter the information that should be present in this barcode. So I want to get the numbers like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1 2 3 4. So actually EAM13 takes only 12 characters. So after getting this one, let's run this one. It is not showing any error. Let's have this bar here. See here, the output is showing. So if we want to take, or if we want to save this barcode, we have to use dot save here, dot save of. We have to choose the location here. So we have to choose the location. So see here, I am going to select this location. Under this location, I am going to save my barcode. So let's paste it over here. Let's change this bars here like this. After making like this, you have to specify the name of the barcode you are going to get. I am going to give the name as bar.png. After giving this one, we have to run this one. See, this is run successfully. We have to check the output there in the location. So see here, and internet file is created here. Let's open this one. So if you see here, it is going to show that the barcode there, right over there. See here, it is the barcode which we generated. So it is having the information like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1 2 8. So that's it guys. This is the making or generating the barcodes using Python. If you have any doubts regarding this concept, please let me know in this comment section. Thank you guys.